Morning students. Today we will discuss about the carbon and its compounds. Beta, it is for class 10th. Carbon and its compounds. We all are familiar with the word carbon. Carbon, symbol of carbon is C. Its atomic number is 6. Mass number is 12. Beta, carbon exists in 3 isotopes. Carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. Atomic number in each isotope remain same, but atomic mass will be 12, 13 and 14. First of all, beta, carbon is the element which is present in all organisms. And 99% of the things that we will use. The thing that will be burned to produce black ash consists of carbon. Black or grey ash. Beta, carbon present in periodic table. Position of carbon in periodic table is period, second. Beta group, that is 14. Second period, 14 group. Clear? Beta, carbon is basically used for the organic chemistry. Why? Why organic chemistry consists of carbon and its compounds or hydrocarbons? Why carbon is only? Because of versatile nature of carbon. Beta, because of versatile nature of carbon. Carbon have two versatile properties. First of all, catenation. And second one is tetravalency. Catenation, that is the first versatile nature of carbon. Catenation means self-linking property. Catenation means self-linking property. Beta, number of elements have self-linking property, but they are at limited value. Suppose in chapter metal non-metal, you will learn S8. That means sulfur have catenation but up to 8 atoms. P4, phosphorus 2 atoms. Each gas is diatomic, that means 2 atoms. But carbon is only the element which show catenation up to maximum level, endless. Up to maximum level, that is endless. Number of carbon combined straight or in branch position, like this. Small branch, long branch, sub branch, etc. Also in closed condition. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 cyclic, pentacyclic, hexacyclic, heptacyclic, so many. This is the catenation property. Carbon has catenation property, that is self-linking property. Carbon have self-linking property up to endless. Large number of carbon combined together. They are in straight chain or in branch chain or in cyclic chain or in cyclic branch chain, just like this. And second is the tetravalency. Why carbon have tetravalency only? Carbon have tetravalency means carbon have tendency to form 4 covalent bonds. Tetravalency means, tetra means 4, valency means tendency to combine. Carbon have tendency to combine with other element, other 4 elements maximum, either by single bond or by double bond or by triple bond. Either by single bond or by double bond or by triple bond. Either by itself or by other element. But carbon have tendency to form 4 bonds. Why carbon have tendency to form 4 bonds? Why carbon is tetravalence? Answer. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration is 2 and 4. Outermost electrons are 4. Its valency is 4. It neither have tendency to lose these 4 electrons to become stable, nor have tendency to gain 4 electrons. Why? Reason is that by loss of 1 electron, carbon atom carry positive charge. Its size is small. When it will remove another electron, it will carry positive charge. Size is very, very small. Its size is so small that nuclear charge is greater. Size is so small that tendency to lose more electron will be neglected. So 4 electrons removed from the carbon is not possible. Now, why it do not gain electron? If carbon gain 1 electron, it will form negative charge. Now, another 1 electron, similar charges, repulsion take place. Repulsion take place due to similar charges. So, neither have tendency to gain further second successive electron. So, carbon do not have tendency to lose 4 electron or gain 4 electron. So, it have tendency to share these 4 electrons with other elements, either similar or different, to complete the octet. So, it have tendency to form 4 covalent bonds. This is the versatile nature of carbon. Thank you.